The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Truck is not just a machine, it is a true statement of luxury, strength, and freedom on wheels. For decades, the Kenworth W900 has been regarded as one of the most iconic long-nosed trucks in North America, a symbol of American trucking pride, and in 2026 it takes on a whole new meaning when reimagined as a fully equipped luxury motorhome truck. This isn't just a rig for hauling cargo, it is a rolling mansion designed for those who want to blend the legendary durability and power of a heavy-duty truck with the highest level of comfort and motorhome convenience. Imagine the long, bold hood stretching out ahead, the classic chrome grille shining in the sun, and the unmistakable stance of a W900 rolling down the highway, but now with an extended sleeper and custom motorhome body that transforms this beast into a luxury residence on wheels. It combines the ruggedness of a truck meant to last millions of miles with the refinement and style of a luxury coach, making it a unique creation for truck lovers, motorhome enthusiasts, and those who want the ultimate road living experience. Under the hood, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome can be configured with the latest generation PACCAR MX-13 engine or the powerful Cummins X15, both tuned to deliver a balance of performance, efficiency, and dependability. With horsepower options ranging from 455 to over 600, this motorhome truck has more than enough power to handle steep mountain passes, long stretches of open interstate, or even towing additional cargo or trailers behind. The torque is immense, providing effortless pulling power and smooth cruising no matter the terrain. Paired with automated transmissions like the Eaton UltraShift Plus or manual gearbox options for purists, the driving experience can be tailored to suit any preference. Modern fuel efficiency technologies and emission systems make it compliant with 2026 standards while still retaining that raw diesel strength that W900 fans adore. With massive fuel tanks integrated into the chassis, long-haul journeys become possible without frequent stops, allowing owners to cover thousands of miles with confidence. Climbing inside, the transformation from a legendary workhorse to a luxury motorhome becomes apparent. The cab is spacious, outfitted with premium leather seating, advanced climate control, and the latest digital driver assist displays. A fully digital instrument cluster sits behind the iconic steering wheel, providing real-time information on navigation, performance, and vehicle health. The dashboard still retains the classic chrome toggle switches and analog feel that W900 drivers love, but enhanced with modern tech integration like a large infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite connectivity, and full Wi-Fi support. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and advanced braking systems make this massive vehicle surprisingly easy to handle and safe even on busy highways. But it's when you step back into the motorhome section that the true magic of the 2026 W900 conversion comes to life. The interior is designed like a high-end apartment, with luxury finishes such as polished wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, soft LED lighting, and customizable layouts depending on the owner's needs. A full-size kitchen is available, complete with induction cooktops, a convection oven, a large refrigerator, and even a dishwasher for those who want the conveniences of home. The living area features plush seating that doubles as recliners and convertible beds, along with a large entertainment system equipped with a flat-screen smart TV, surround sound speakers, and streaming capabilities. Panoramic windows let natural light flood in, but blackout shades in high-end insulation ensure total privacy and comfort whenever desired. Sleeping arrangements in the W900 motorhome are far beyond what you'd expect from a truck. The master suite includes a queen or even king-sized bed with premium mattresses, wardrobes, and overhead storage. Some builds feature slide-outs that expand the living and sleeping areas, providing more room to move around once parked at a campsite. The bathroom area is designed with residential-style comfort in mind, offering a full shower, porcelain toilet, sink, and even luxury options like heated floors or rainfall shower heads. High-capacity fresh and gray water tanks ensure long stays off-grid, while advanced water filtration systems keep the supply clean and safe. For those who want complete independence, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome comes with solar panel arrays mounted on the roof, feeding into a large lithium-ion battery system that can power all onboard electronics without needing to run the generator. Of course, a high-output diesel generator is included for extended use, and the electrical system is designed to handle multiple air conditioning units, entertainment systems, and kitchen appliances all at once. The heating and cooling are managed with smart climate control systems, making the interior comfortable in any weather conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi, satellite TV, and even office space options make this motorhome suitable for digital nomads who want to work on the road without sacrificing luxury. Driving a W900 motorhome is unlike anything else. The commanding view from the cab, the roar of the big diesel engine, and the sense of power when cruising down the interstate make it clear that this is not just another RV. It carries the presence of a professional trucking machine while delivering the comforts of a five-star hotel. Parking is aided by 360-degree camera systems, sensors, and automatic leveling systems that stabilize the motorhome when set up at a site. With massive storage bays underneath the living quarters, there is plenty of room for outdoor gear, tools, or even motorcycles and ATVs. The chassis strength of the W900 ensures that it can handle heavy loads without compromise, meaning durability and reliability remain unmatched. Customization plays a huge role in the 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome market. Buyers can choose different lengths, interior themes, exterior paint jobs, and luxury packages to suit their lifestyle. Some go for chrome-heavy exteriors with polished tanks, exhaust stacks, and custom lighting that highlight the W900's classic American truck look. Others opt for more subtle luxury motorhome aesthetics with smooth paint finishes and integrated designs that blend the truck cab seamlessly into the living quarters. Inside, choices range from rustic lodge-style interiors with warm wood finishes to modern minimalist layouts with sleek white surfaces and ambient lighting. This personalization makes every W900 motorhome a unique creation, tailored to the owner's vision of life on the road. The cost of such a motorhome truck is significant, often starting well into the high six-figure range and easily surpassing $1 million depending on the build and features. However, for those who can afford it, the 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome represents the ultimate freedom machine. It is a rolling fortress of comfort, capable of traveling across the continent in style, carrying its occupants in complete luxury while still being rooted in the legacy of one of the most respected trucks in the world. Owners are not just buying a motorhome, they are buying a lifestyle and a piece of trucking history that has been transformed into a modern-day palace on wheels. With the 2026 model year, Kenworth and custom motorhome builders have taken the spirit of the W900 and elevated it to a level that few could have imagined. It is a perfect balance of tradition and innovation, brute strength and refined elegance, workhorse durability and indulgent comfort. For truck lovers, motorhome enthusiasts, and anyone dreaming of endless highways, mountain views, and coast-to-coast adventures, the 2026 Kenworth W900 motorhome truck delivers an unmatched experience that no ordinary RV could ever provide. It is not just transportation, it is a journey, a statement, and a dream realized on 18 wheels.